What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, and today we're taking a deep dive into one of the best budget-friendly gaming monitors that I've found so far on the market, the Viewedge CS27QK. Now these two monitors behind me are 27-inch QHD monitors with an amazing 165Hz refresh rate. They've also got a 1 millisecond response time and full adaptive sync support, all for a price that's amazing and hard to beat. But in reality, how well do these monitors actually perform? And is it worth your investment? Let's find out. Okay, so if I'm being completely honest, I usually stick with well-known brands when it comes to computer hardware. And until they actually reached out to me, I had never heard of or used any of Viewedge's hardware. Now, if you're not familiar with Viewedge, they are a company that's based in Dallas, Texas, and they've been in the monitor business since 2011. Apparently, they are well known for producing cost-effective and high-quality displays for gamers, professionals, and creatives alike. Now, I did look into the company and I looked all over the internet, and they have built a strong reputation for delivering products that balance performance and affordability. Now, before setting these up, previously I was using two 36-inch Samsung LED TVs for my computer displays. And because it was starting to get a little bit challenging to manage my desktop across two very large screens, I decided to look for something that was smaller and more conventional. And that's where Viewedge came into play. Now, when switching to these smaller monitors, to be completely transparent, I did have to adjust when moving from a couple of 36-inch TVs to a couple of smaller 27-inch monitors, where the display area is of course a lot less. Now this meant less and smaller windows on screen, but overall the clarity and quality has been a welcome adjustment, and I just love how I can just sit in one place and see across both of my displays. Now again, as mentioned, these two new CS27QK monitors behind me are 27-inch gaming monitors with a 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. They're also built on IPS panels, which definitely do offer better color accuracy, wider viewing angles, and more vibrant visuals compared to traditional TN panels, and definitely better than my Samsung TVs. In fact, the display's dynamic contrast ratio of 5,000,000:1 delivers deeper blacks and brighter whites, and as you can see, they do enhance the overall picture quality by a ton. Now, when it does come to connectivity, the monitors are equipped with two HDMI ports and one display port, which offers a lot of flexibility in connectivity. However, do take note that the monitors only come with one DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable, so if you're using HDMI, you will need to request or buy additional cables if you don't have a DisplayPort connector on your computer. Now in my setup, I am connected to my PC using the display ports, and that's because I want to maximize the refresh rate and performance of these monitors. Now these monitors are also VESA compatible, which means that you can mount them on a wall or arm to save desk space. But as you can see, for me, I do have them set up and placed on my shelves in this new setup, just because I do like how they look and I don't necessarily need to wall mount them. Now, from a design perspective, the CS27QKs do have a sleek and minimalistic look. The bezels are fairly thin, giving it a modern feel and making it suitable for multi-monitor setups. As you can see, it's virtually frameless, making it great for cross-screen usage, which helps to minimize any gaps between the images that you're looking at when you do have a two-display setup. Now what's also nice is that the monitors do tilt between -5 degrees and 15 degrees, but unfortunately it does lack height adjustment or rotation options, which might be a deal breaker for some of you users out there. Now when it comes to the stands that they're attached to, the stand itself is sturdy and it does do a good job of supporting the screen without wobbling. And that's actually quite a feat because they are made of plastic, but they are a very thick and durable plastic. But if you are someone who does prefer a cleaner desk setup and doesn't like to use stands, The VESA mounting compatibility makes it easy to switch to an ARM mount. Now, let's talk about what's really important when it comes to monitors and displays. Let's talk about display quality. The CS27QK boasts 120% sRGB and 90% NTSC coverage. This means that it can reproduce a wider range of colors, making visuals more vibrant and true to life. Now, in my usage, I found it particularly impressive for gaming, as well as color critical tasks like photo and video editing, which is what I mainly use these monitors for. Thanks to the monitor's 10-bit color depth, you definitely do get smoother color gradients and less banding, which makes it ideal for content creators like myself who need accurate color representation and vibrant colors in picture display. Now, in addition to that, HDR10 support is also a plus, which does enhance visuals with richer colors, deeper contrast, and brighter highlights, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or working on creative projects such as editing YouTube videos and thumbnails. Now, because of the specs, these displays are being targeted towards gamers. With 165 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, this monitor is built for fast-paced action. Now, I did test it with a few games that I usually play, and compared to a standard 60 Hz or even 120 Hz monitor, the difference was noticeable. Movements are so much smoother and input lag is minimal. Now, another great feature about these monitors is the adaptive sync, which is one of the things that stands out about these displays. It effectively eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, keeping everything fluid even during intense moments and heavy gaming sessions. This makes it a great pick for competitive gamers who need that split-second advantage. Now, another important aspect of any monitor is, of course, eye comfort. If you're like me and sit in front of a PC all day, it's definitely something that needs to be considered. These CS27QK monitors come with built-in flicker-free technology and a blue light filter, both of which help reduce eye strain during long-term gaming or working sessions. After using this monitor for a few hours across the last 3 weeks, I didn't experience any of the usual eye fatigue that can come with standard monitors. Now, for this fact alone, this makes it a solid choice for gamers, content creators, and remote workers who spend long hours in front of the screen. Now, I know I mentioned this before, but it's still something that I think is worth mentioning again. But the CS27QK is also very versatile in terms of connectivity. With 2 HDMI ports and 1 DisplayPort, you can easily switch between gaming consoles, PCs, and even laptops. It's perfect for those of you who need a monitor that can handle multiple devices without constantly plugging and unplugging cables. Now, if you are looking for an all-in-one monitor, do keep in mind that it doesn't have built-in speakers, so you will definitely need to buy external speakers or headphones for audio output, which for most of us anyways, we tend to find external solution when it comes to sound, and we don't usually use speakers built into the monitors because, you know, we're very picky about our sound quality. Now, another key call out and a highlight is the after sales support, which I think is crucial when purchasing any kind of tech product. What's nice is Viewedge offers a 3-year warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and 24/7 customer support. Now, having this level of support gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case anything goes wrong. And they've been pretty responsive when I've called their support line for any kind of help or questions that I have about the monitor and even the shipping for this monitor. Okay, so with all that in mind, let's quickly break down the pros and maybe some of the cons of the Viewedge CS27QK monitors over my last 3 weeks of using these displays. First off, the pros. Worth mentioning first is the 165 Hz refresh rate, which gives you ultra smooth gaming and video. Second is the 1 millisecond response time, which reduces motion blur and is great for you gamers out there who want a competitive edge. And then there's that 120% sRGB and 90% NTSC coverage for accurate colors, and of course the HDR10 support for enhanced visual quality. There's also the adaptive sync, which eliminates screen tearing, and then there's that flicker-free and blue light filter for eye comfort. What I also do like about these monitors is that they are VESA mountable for flexible setup, And then of course, it's worth mentioning the 3-year warranty and the solid customer support. Okay, so next up, and these are not necessarily cons, but definitely potential features that I would like to see in future versions of Viewedge monitors. The first one, and it might just be in particular to this monitor, is that there's no height adjustment or rotation, which I think would be a great feature to have for future versions of this monitor. Second is no built-in speakers, which again is not a deal breaker because most of us have external speakers anyways, so that's definitely not something that's required. Third is no USB-C connection options, which I think is important for some users, especially those who are using MacBooks or Apple products. Fourth, there is no HDMI cable included, so you will need to request or buy an HDMI cable if your computer does not support DisplayPort connectivity. So overall and in the end, are these Viewedge CS27QK monitors worth it? For me, absolutely. They offer great performance, vibrant visuals, and a high refresh rate, all at a reasonable price. Now, while they do have some limitations like the lack of height adjustment and built-in speakers, which again is not a deal breaker, the pros by far outweigh the cons, or at least the things that we might want in our monitors, especially for gamers and creators looking for an affordable yet capable monitor. These definitely do the job and perform very well. Now, if you're looking for a monitor that can handle both fast-paced gaming and color-critical tasks, this one should be on your radar and something to look out for. Okay, so with that in mind, that is it for today's review. If you did find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews in the future. Make sure you also drop a comment below if you have any questions about the Viewedge CS27QK that I didn't answer in this video. And also, make sure you ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Anyways, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.